In today's video, we're breaking down two powerful tools for building landing pages, ClickFunnels and WordPress. Whether you're aiming to convert leads, sell products, or grow your email list, choosing the right platform is crucial. We'll compare these two platforms with their features, ease of use, customization options, and of course their pricing to help you make an informed decision on which one suits your business best. We'll start with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is designed as an all-in-one solution for creating high-converting sales funnels and landing pages with minimal technical expertise. The platform's drag and drop editor allows users to build landing pages quickly without the need for any coding. This makes ClickFunnels especially appealing to entrepreneurs and marketers who want a streamlined, out-of-the-box solution that focuses on driving conversions. The ease of use is one of ClickFunnels' strongest selling points. It enables users to set up a complete sales funnel, including landing pages, opt-in forms, and payment processing, all from a single platform. When we compare that to WordPress, WordPress is renowned for its flexibility and extensive customization options. Traditionally known as a website building tool, WordPress can still be used to create landing pages and achieve a level of functionality similar to ClickFunnels. This typically might require a few plugins to install onto your WordPress website, but you can get pretty similar functionality. Some of these plugins that you'll install into your WordPress account are things like Elementor, Divi, or Thrive Architect. These tools provide drag and drop page building capabilities, but they add complexity, especially for users who are not familiar with web design. While the learning curve can be steeper, WordPress offers unparalleled control over your site's design, functionality, and overall user experience. This makes it a preferred choice for those who need a custom solution tailored to their specific needs. When it comes to customization and flexibility, WordPress stands out due to its vast ecosystem of plugins and themes. With thousands of options available, users can create virtually any type of landing page imaginable. Whether you need advanced SEO features, custom forms, or integrations with various marketing tools, WordPress offers a solution. However, the downside of this flexibility is the complexity that comes with it. Managing multiple plugins and themes can be time-consuming, and there is always the risk of compatibility issues which could impact your site's performance. The process of configuring these tools to work seamlessly together often requires technical knowledge and can be somewhat overwhelming for beginners. ClickFunnels, on the other hand, offers less flexibility in terms of customization, but compensates with its simplicity, and it specifically focuses on conversion optimization. The platform comes with a variety of pre-designed templates that are specifically tested for effectiveness. These templates are built with conversions in mind, making it easier to create a high-converting landing page without needing to invest time in extensive research and design work. While you can customize these elements within these templates, the options are limited compared to WordPress. However, of course, for many users, this trade-off is acceptable because it's reducing the complexity of building and managing landing pages. Plus, there's also the factor that you're allowing them to focus on marketing and of course driving sales. Now that we've talked a little bit about that, let's go over the features and integrations of both of these platforms. ClickFunnels is built with sales and marketing at its core. The platform includes features like A/B testing, email marketing integration, sales funnel tracking, and a range of pre-built funnel templates. These templates are also designed to optimize every step of the customer journey and ultimately increase conversions. These features are all included out of the box, which means you don't have to spend time searching for or configuring any additional tools. There's no additional plugins that you need to add and really nothing else that you need to worry about. For entrepreneurs and marketers, this integration of essential tools in one platform is a significant advantage as it streamlines the process of creating and managing sales funnels. WordPress, by contrast, requires the use of additional plugins to match the capabilities of ClickFunnels. All this gives you the flexibility to choose only the features you need. It also means that you have to manage multiple plugins, which can lead to compatibility issues or slow down your overall website if you don't manage them properly. For example, to achieve similar functionality to ClickFunnels, you might need to install plugins for A/B testing, SEO optimization, email marketing, and even analytics. While WordPress allows you to pick and choose the tools that best fit your needs, it requires a more hands-on approach to ensure everything works smoothly together. This flexibility can be a double-edged sword. It allows for a highly customized solution, but at the cost of increased complexity and potential technical challenges. Both of these platforms offer pretty competitive pricing. ClickFunnels operates on a subscription model, with plans starting at about $97 per month. This includes access to all the essential tools you'll need to create and optimize landing pages, including their funnel templates and A/B testing models as well. For their higher tier plans, we're looking at about $297 per month. These options can get you increased visitor limits, priority support, advanced tools, and a host of other options. The subscription model can be advantageous because it covers everything in one payment, and the ongoing support and updates ensure that you always have access to the latest features and security patches. WordPress itself is free to use, but you'll need to pay for hosting, premium themes, and plugins. Costs can vary widely depending on your needs, but for a fully featured landing page setup, you can expect to spend anywhere between $50 to $200 per year. Make sure to stick around this video because I'll be breaking down how to save the most amount of money possible when getting started with WordPress. One of the next things we'll consider is support and community. These are essential considerations for both of these platforms, especially if you're new to building landing pages or running an online business. ClickFunnels offers robust support, including live chat, email support, and a large community of users who share tips, strategies, and success stories. The platform also provides extensive documentation and training materials, including webinars, tutorials, to help users get the most out of the platform. This is beneficial for users who need ongoing assistance and prefer to follow proven methods for conversion optimization. The active community also means you'll likely find answers to the questions that you're looking for, whether it's through official support channels or user-generated content. WordPress, being an open source platform, has a massive community and extensive documentation. While official support is limited for your hosting provider or the developers of the themes and plugins you use, there's no shortage of tutorials, forums, and online resources like this channel to help you figure out the trouble that you're having. The WordPress community is incredibly active, and you can find solutions to almost any problem by searching online. However, finding specific solutions may take more time, especially if you're dealing with more complex integrations or less common issues. Additionally, the quality of support can vary depending on the plugins or themes that you're using, as not all developers provide the same level of assistance. Both these platforms are designed with long-term scalability and growth in mind. ClickFunnels is designed to scale your business, whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional. It has higher tiered plans if you need more options, and it even has custom code capabilities that you can insert as well. WordPress is pretty much the same and has very similar features for its growth and scalability. Now that we've talked a little bit about the details about both these platforms, I'm going to show you how to get the best deal possible when getting started with both of them. The first thing you guys are going to want to do is head down to the description below and click the link for ClickFunnels. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. As you can see, when you use our link, you'll be able to get started with a free trial today. You'll simply click the button. It'll take you to this page here where you'll enter in your full name and your email address, and then hit the continue button. Once you've gone about doing that, you'll then enter in the rest of your details like your phone number, your country, your postal code, your credit card details, and then as you can see, you're going to get a 100% no risk free trial. That means that in the first 14 days, if you find anything that you don't like about ClickFunnels, or if you just want to cancel it and not have to pay for it, you can simply request a refund. It will give it to you, no questions asked. Now, when it comes to getting started with WordPress, there's a ton of different options out there to choose from. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Hostinger, which is going to be the cheapest and most reliable way to do so. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to this page here. As you can see, you're going to get a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 customer support. Simply hit the Start Now button, which will take you down to this part where you can choose your plan, which will then take you into the checkout page. Once you get to this page, you'll then want to enter in a coupon code to get the best deal available, and that code is going to be StartupWise, all capitals, no spaces. Hit the apply button, and as you can see, we have our coupon applied with an even greater discount. Once you hit the continue button, you'll then be thrust directly into Hostinger, and you can get started. You can start building your WordPress landing page with their built-in features, and everything should work perfectly. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below which of these platforms you're thinking about using. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, if you want to get started with either of these, use the links down in the description to get the best deal possible. Also remember that those links do support this channel, so thank you in advance for supporting us, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in a future one.